Ever had a patient with a strange white patch on the tongue that just won't wipe off? Could it be harmless or something sinister? Let's play dental detective. Today, we'll crack the case of white lesions of the tongue, step by step until we reach the right diagnosis and treatment. Step 1. Observation. First rule of the game, look carefully. Not all white lesions are the same. Ask yourself, can it be wiped off or not? That's your first golden clue. Step 2. The wipe test. Mnemonic, wipe or white for life. If it can be wiped off, think superficial lesions. If it cannot be wiped off, think deeper epithelial change. Step 3. If it can be wiped off. Mnemonic, CAN-DENT. C. Candidiasis. A. Aspirin burn. N. Necrotic slough. Dent, dentifrice or toothpaste reaction. Diagnosis tip. Try to gently wipe with gauze. If it disappears, it's superficial. Treatment. Remove the cause and use antifungal medication such as nystatin or fluconazole. Step 4. If it cannot be wiped off, mnemonic, don't miss white patch. P. Pachydermia, also known as frictional keratosis. A. Aphthous scar or old ulcer. T. Tobacco leukoplakia. C. Chronic hyperplastic candidiasis. H. Hairy leukoplakia or lichen planus. Step 5. Diagnostic flow. Now let's go detective mode. History, habits, smoking, trauma, or medication. Examine. Can it be wiped off? Check location and surface texture. Investigate. Do a smear for fungus or biopsy if suspicious. Interpret. Rule out pre-malignant lesions like leukoplakia. Identify systemic associations, HIV, diabetes, or nutritional deficiency. Step 6. Treatment approach. Mnemonic, care. C. Cause removal. A. Antifungal, antiviral, or anti-inflammatory therapy. R. Regular follow-up. E. Educate the patient on oral hygiene and risk factors. Case example. A 45-year-old smoker presents with a rough white patch on the lateral tongue that cannot be wiped off. Biopsy shows dysplasia. Diagnosis, leukoplakia. Treatment, eliminate irritants, excision or laser ablation, and follow-up. Mnemonic Recap. Remember, wipe or white for life. First diagnostic step. CAN-DENT, wipeable lesions. White patch, non-wipeable lesions. Care, treatment plan. Summary. Step 1, observe the white lesion. Step 2, test if it can be wiped off. If yes, think candidiasis, burn, or slough. If no, think leukoplakia, lichen planus, or chronic candidiasis. Confirm with smear or biopsy. Treat the cause and monitor regularly. White doesn't always mean right. It might mean warning. Spot it early, diagnose smartly, and treat wisely. That's how you become a true dental detective. Before you go, here are a few high-yield clinical pearls. Pearl 1. Most cases of oral candidiasis can be wiped off, but the chronic hyperplastic type cannot. Pearl 2. Any white lesion that does not resolve within 2 weeks should be biopsied. Pearl 3. Be extra cautious with lesions on the lateral tongue and floor of the mouth. These are high-risk areas. Pearl 4. Not all white lesions are harmless. Some may represent pre-malignant changes like leukoplakia or even early oral cancer. Pearl 5. Always correlate clinical findings with history, examination, and investigations. Check out the next video. We'll dive deeper into candidiasis, how to diagnose it, and how to manage it effectively. And don't forget to subscribe.